is once again the season for Nike boots, as the Nike Air Max Goadome continues its strong return to the spotlight. The cult favorite is enjoying renewed energy, led by DMV icon Wale, who has become the quiet face of the silhouette through official marketing and limited collaborative releases. Beyond fashion-driven experiments that introduced bold materials to the traditionally rugged boot, Nike now refocuses on refinement with the Air Max Goadome Low. This updated version simply lowers the familiar high-cut design, creating a more versatile profile while preserving its outdoor roots. Key changes are subtle but intentional, including a reworked rear overlay that now blends into the heel counter and minor adjustments to upper detailing to suit the lower height. The debut preview highlights just one colorway, but additional styles are already planned for future seasons. The Nike Air Max Goadome Low is expected to launch with a projected retail price of $170.